There's come to a point in my time where I have to explain what YouTube is for the sake of an assignment. Here is that time. So, what is YouTube? YouTube is an American online free video sharing and social media platform owned by Google. It is the second most visited website with more than a billion monthly users who collectively watch more than 1 billion hours of videos each day. With YouTube, you can create and upload your own videos to share with others and watch online videos. Video files can be very large and are often too big to send to someone else by email. By posting a video on YouTube though, you can share a video simply by sending the other person a URL link, that is, the address of the relevant internet page. So, YouTube and the sense of presence. The idea of presence means knowing that you are present or either belong in a particular space or place. By gaining attention, reacting to physical or emotional events in the space, and creating everlasting memories, all of these parts of the experience are adhered to by YouTube. Kinda fitting that the you in YouTube represents the users, whether they're content creators or viewers. Many of YouTube's features, such as live streams with live chats, the comment section, the like and dislike bar, community posts, and etc., all of these and more play a part for the sense of presence in YouTube. There are three main ways of measuring presence in YouTube. Number one is subjective measures, like how an occasional YouTube survey asks its users how was the video that was recommended to you, or the user, recently was either a good recommendation or not. Number two is psychophysical measures. I'm not gonna even pretend to know what that is. And lastly, objective measures, which is determined by two factors: physiological, which, just like real life, when given an amount of stimuli, like being nervous when being called out in class to answer a question, it applies the same to YouTube when you're being acknowledged by either a favorite streamer or YouTuber. It will undoubtedly cause a sensory overload of joy. And factor of performance, like how would you respond and react to, let's say, a funny video, or by willfully extending your suspension of belief to watch your favorite streamer or YouTuber, which may have a persona that they've crafted, stay true to their roleplay character at first, only to watch them grow into a beautiful eldritch abomination.